thing about SEMA is that it's loud, Aaron.
It's dang loud and it's awesome. I love these things. I've never ridden in one. I've always wanted to try a slingshot.
Well, we're at the Polaris Slingshot booth outside by the West Gate. And you know what's crazy is that you go that way and there's drifters. You go another place and there's off-road trucks. But here, it's all about the two-seat slingshot. I can't even say it. I'm so excited.
We're really excited. You just smell the smoke and hear the squealing tires, and it just gets you so fired up.
Now, we got a guy that's going to tell us all about it. They're doing these ride and drives. Now, unfortunately, we drew straws. Aaron and I got the short end of the deal. Dave from Man Seeks Adventures going for the ride. But we're going to film it. We're going to bring it all, take you along, because Aaron got all the cameras set up. We're going to have so much fun.
I'm camera, he's sound.
Slingshot here at SEMA.
Connor, nice to meet you, man. Let's do this.
Here we go.
Dude. Thanks, Connor. No problem. Dude, that was awesome. Pretty cool, huh? Yeah, you're good at this.
Thank you. What'd you think, Dave?
That's amazing. Connor's the dude, man. I think he kind of smoked you guys out here with some rubber, right? It was great. It was awesome. I don't know how good my video's going to be because, like,